Hello all, this is Neha Prakash here, your favorite fitness athlete, Masali.
So, what kind of training, fitness training, you do? Can you please tell briefly?
Yeah, I do weight training and then I do cardio. Then circuit training is one of my part. Moreover, I am always into the weight training.
So, what things are very important when it comes to bodybuilding?
First of all, it's like you have to understand your body, what it is demanding for. I mean, if my body is asking for this particular target, so on that target we work. Means your discipline is important, your diet, your routine work, which is your workout, how many times you do once, twice a day, 4 times a day. Part of that, what kind of a diet is feasible for your body. So many of the things are there which is correlated to each other. We cannot just comment with the exercise stuff that this is only important part.
What bodybuilding signify for you?
It's like, I mean, after coming from so many phrases, so many ups and downs, possible this will be the life stuff what I have to take care of. And of course, this is my life.
So, did bodybuilding change you as a person? If yes, how?
Yeah, bodybuilding has changed me as a person. People have, first of all, known me very well that Sneha Prakash is somebody here now in our country. First of all, name and fame is very thing what I am seeing here, and a lot of people who get inspired by me, especially the females, the youth. They see me that being married, being 10 years old daughters, they get more motivated. And whatever I say, whatever I do, they follow me so well that they feel that even they can do it. Impossible things are possible for me. Anybody can do. So this is the thing what I actually think over.
Okay. So, diet is very important when it comes to bodybuilding. What is your advice?
Yeah. Diet is um, diet is very crucial for the body just because I mean if you take an example of this lockdown, you cannot take your diet as per your routine task what you used to do before. So according to the situation, according to the scenario, if I take my example also, if I am competing, if I'm on to the prep situation, so my diet entirely changes. If I'm not prepping, if I'm on to my off season, my diet is different. So as per the body, as per the terms, as per the situation, you have to modify yourself.
Okay. So, what kind of clothing you suggest for bodybuilding exercises?
It should be proper lower. I usually use compression pants with the sports shoes, then the tank tops, which should be comfortable so that your arms can rotate well. It shouldn't be so much tight or stretchy. That will definitely disturb your exercise routine. If your top is small, short in size, definitely you will be more bombarding yourself into pulling down your t-shirts during pull-ups, push-ups. If it is loose, also again you are getting more disturbed with your t-shirts tucking up here and here. So it should be proper fitting kind of a t-shirt, sorry, and then the compression pants, which should be anti-fit so that it don't get loose, it shouldn't get down, it shouldn't be up all the time you're pulling down and up, it shouldn't be there. It should be more than comfortable for your exercise. And of course, should be very soft so that you can stretch your legs, stretch your exercise, whatever legs exercise, arms exercise, whatever exercise you are doing, it should be comfortable for you.
Nowadays, we have a lot of active wears and various kind of clothing brands which have come up. Do you get any sponsorship or get to work with brands?
Not yet, just because soon after achieving so many championship, lockdown has come. So possible a lot of brands have approached me for the contracts. But due to quarantine, I am at home. I cannot move out. There are 2, 3 brands who want to approach me. They have already spoken to me about this thing.
Mm-hmm.
And agreement, everything is being already prepared. But it's only I have to travel and meet them up for the sign-ups.
Okay. We hope you can do this after the lockdown once things open up.
Yeah.
Yep. So, next question. Does the Indian Bodybuilders Federation, IBBF, help in any way?
Difficult question. It's actually a difficult question. They do help, no doubt. Every federation is very good. I won't comment anything negative about. Possible there may be some of their favorites, some favorite athletes would be there. Maybe some old athletes would be there. Maybe they may help more, better to them than another new female or male bodybuilders, and they do help. It's not like they don't do. I have been competing with so many federations, so my experience with every federation was good. People are
Okay,
good, very caring, very understanding.
great.
They do.
So, what overall suggestions you have for people who want to do bodybuilding?
Overall suggestion is like, if somebody is getting into the fitness industry, they have to first understand, study about the federation. First answer, what I'll suggest, that which federation is good for them personally, what are their rules, regulations, and then comes to your costume, dress, what attire is required, what posing are there, just because every federations have different posing uh, stuffs. So, and then what budget you have, just because bodybuilding is very expensive. It's an expensive sport. You have to be very good into your background financially, or else possible you may take some PTs or whatever you're providing, earn more, get more money, just because this industry is very maintaining kind of an industry. Healthy lifestyle means healthy amount you have to invest. Moreover, during prep time, it is more expensive than your regular routine, just because during the preparation time, your lot of things, I mean, if you're having some different um, components, different kind of a food which is the substitute of your prep food, you cannot have it. It's just typical. You have to eat chicken means chicken, you have to eat fish means fish, less of carbohydrates means you don't have any other option of carbohydrates also. So protein is, you have to be natural with the protein, more of the supplement protein and all things adds. So this become more expensive. So you have to take care of all the budgetary plans very first. Then federation talks. You have to take care of the federation, that which is the best. You have to study upon for them, that which federation is best for you. Then your traveling expenses, then your fees, registration fees, what is the amount that particular federation is charging. So are they giving the cash prize or not? What facilities they will be providing? Are they providing their stay or possible more of the things? Everything you have to study before entering into this particular industry. Otherwise, things will be looped. यहाँ के भी नहीं, यहाँ के भी नहीं will be the only answer which will be left.
Okay.
So this is how everything has been imposed.